Hey guys, so tadi dapit sa padulong sa kilid sa dalan, padulong sa Santa Fe. Kita kong trako angkan. So I've been dying to eat this again. So I tried this one before, back 2 years ago, and I like it. So I haven't found this one in Santa Fe, but luckily here in Ocoy, nakita ko angkan. So yeah. Good morning guys, I am CJ Estrada. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at Bantayan Island, and it's not my first time here. In case you don't know how to get here, if you're from Cebu City, you have to go to North Bus Terminal and ride a bus to Hagnaya Port, or directly to Santa Fe, Bantayan or Bantayan Island for around 3 to 4 hours, depends on the traffic. It costs around 180 to 200 pesos, depends on the season and whatsoever. And there's also a 30 pesos ecological fee when entering here in Bantayan Island. So we're visiting two islands here, which is the Virgin Island and the Hilantagan Island. So still early, 7:30, and the sun is up, and the water is clear and placid. So placid, placid, ambot. Oh, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Leave no trace. Please be a responsible traveler. Share peace and love. Yeah. Welcome to the land of virgins, Virgin Island. Hey guys, so we're now here at Virgin Island, and I don't know why it's called Virgin Island, but it seems to be virgin before, so I don't know. Hey guys, so I just paid 500 pesos, so you have to pay 500 pesos for the first two persons, and the excess person should pay 100 pesos. That's for the entrance fee only. That's aside from the payment for the boat. So yeah. As you can see, natin mga cottages dere, mga tent dere for rent, and it depends on how long are you gonna stay here. As long as I think it's forbidden to stay here up until late night, but unless if you want to stay here all day, you have the options to rent tents or cottages. I think you can cook your food here, because there's a grilling area over there, and there's also a chief guard here, so it's a secure place. So in case you want to go here in Bantayan Island, make sure to visit here in Virgin Island. It's just around 15-minute boat ride, but of course you have to rent your own boat. Kay walay boat diri nga kuan sana nga magabiyahe-biyahe. So alright, so guys, enough of the talking and let's swim. Magbasa na ta. Let's go wet and wild. Joke lang. Let's go. Look at this, guys. I'm in the other side of the island, so less people, and I can see the cliff jumping over there. So I like the water here. It's so serene, like OMG. Let's go. 2, 3. It's getting hot in here, so I'm ready here sa port area and I'm waiting for the boat because I want to go back to Bantayan Island now because it's almost lunchtime. So I'm supposed to be going to the other island which is right over there, but apparently gibiyaan ko sa Bangka. So pag-abot na ko dito ganiha mga an hour ago, wala man siya. So mo lang aning kuan. Ambot gyud sa to. Ipatawagan pa naman nga ang Bangka nga mo ari na ba siya or dili kay mo ulit na lang ko kay wala na ko yung time. And probably next time if I'll be here in Bantayan Island ato ko sa Island Masan. So yeah, ako sa search sa online food nga same na magyapon mas nice pa daw diri sa kuan sa Virgin Island kay dagkong ista. So may kibaw ang anong virgin ang tawag diri pero dapat siguro virgin din. Gano'n yung tawag dito kay Virgin Island? Ano yung tawag dito Virgin Island?
Wala sir? Pamanti ko kung anong istorya ha?
Ano yung istorya dito?
Sir?
Kapaw ka kanong Virgin Island tawag dito?
Yung foreign po ng pangalan nito ng Virgin Island. Dati ano tong pangalan? Wala tong pangalan yung isla to.
So yung Virgin?
Nakita ng foreign na parang virgin na walang mga civilian nakatira dito kayo.
Alright, so we're back in the main Bantayan Island. So, see you on my next destination.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I'm now here at Madridejos in Bantayan Island and I'm here to chase the sunset here at the Kota Park in Madridejos. But before that, let's get inside and explore the Kota, which is an old part of civilization. I don't know. So I don't know what's the history here. So there's probably some information right over here, but yeah. No, it's blank. Siguro gila sa water sa una pero nawala na. So yeah, let's take a look and enjoy. Looks to be an old fort. Mao ganing Kota kay fort gani, di ba? Dili 5th, dili 6th. Let's go chill at the beach. Of you, I've spent another lifetime, baby. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace and love.